I see you walking through a dream. I see you, my light in darkness, breathing hope of new life. Now I live through you and you through me, enchanting. I pray in my heart that this dream never ends. I see me through your eyes, breathing new life, flying high. Your love shines the way into paradise. So I offer my life as a sacrifice. I live through your love. You teach me how to see all that's beautiful. Senses touch a world I never pictured. Now I give my home to you. I surrender. I pray in my heart that this world never ends. I see me through your eyes, breathing new life, flying high. Your love shines the way into paradise. So I offer my life, I offer my love for you. My heart was never open and my spirit never free to the world that you have shown me. But my eyes could not envision all the colors of love and of life
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders.